Hello, welcome to today's class. The topic today is borrow versus lend. Lend and borrow are often confused by English learners. Fortunately, this can quite easily be cleared up. Lend and borrow have the same basic meaning, but are used for different directions in English. First, let's look at borrow. You borrow something from somebody. Borrow means to take something from someone with permission and with the intention of giving it back. And lend, you lend something to somebody. Lend means to give something to someone with the expectation that he or she will return it. Here are some examples. Can I borrow the car? Yes, I'll lend you the car. You can borrow a pen from him. He'll be happy to lend you a pen. I need to borrow some money. I can't afford to lend you any money. What happened to the books I borrowed from the library? The library lent you those books 3 weeks ago. Here are some tips. Lend is often followed by a name or a personal pronoun, for example, me, her, or us. I could lend you my car if you promise to fill the tank. I often lend Frankie my car. However, this is not a fixed rule. I often lend my car to Frankie. Use the verbs to borrow and to lend to complete these sentences. Could you me your phone, please? I need a screwdriver. Do you have one? Have you ever something really special to you? Did you that from the science department? Would you feel comfortable someone your toothbrush? Susan my hairbrush, and I still haven't got it back. If I ask really nicely, will you me your laptop? Philip's laptop, but I think I've broken it. Charlie doesn't. He steals. She a lot of money from her father. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.